Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Are you looking to create a peaceful, serene corner in a house? Why not consider making a botanical mood board? Let me show you how you can make one like this behind me. The tools and materials required to make your botanical mood board are 1 plywood panel, 45 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 15 mils thick, 10 millimeter plywood panels, 2 of them at 30 by 10 centimeters, 2 10 by 10 centimeters, 1 28 by 10 centimeters, and 2 12 by 18 centimeters. You'll also need 14 wooden dowels, 30 mils long, 6 mil diameter, 1 smooth beech dowel, 1 meter long, 22 mils in diameter, 1 tube of wood glue, 3 pots of paint or spray paint in the color of your choice. The tools required are a drill with a 22 millimeter hole saw, a standard saw, a hammer, a pencil, a combination square, and a tape measure. Start off with the 45 by 30 centimeter plywood panel. Draw one grid of 12 by 12 centimeters starting 3 centimeters from the top and 4.5 centimeters from the side. Drill a hole at each intersection. Sand the board and the holes. Cut 6 pieces of dowel at 14 centimeters long and then sand them. On the two 30 by 10 centimeter boards, draw 2 marks 3 centimeters from the bottom and the side. Drill holes at the marks. Paint your elements with 2 coats of paint each time. Position the boards in relation to each other, then draw marks to make sure the holes for the wooden dowels match up. Drill holes at the marks. Apply glue, then push in the dowels with a hammer. And assemble the box. And there it is, a botanical mood board. It is quite versatile. You can change it up like you want to by moving the pegs around, even changing the colors if you wanted to. Put it in your home office, put it in the kids' room. Let it change your mood. All the products we use in this insert are available in store or online. For more projects like this, please go to our blog on our website, www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.